Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be learning how to calculate the labor force statistics. With that said, let's get into it. So in front of us, we have actual 2026 data from Statistics Canada, which shows us the working age population in Canada, the number of employed, and the number of unemployed people. Now you can see the column in the right is in thousands, so no, we don't actually have 34,000 people. We have 34 million people in the working age population. Just want to preface that because it's important to know your scale. So when we are trying to find the unemployment rate, many times students will say, oh, that's easy. It's just the number of employed divided by the working age population. And this formula is actually wrong. The correct formula is actually the number of people who are unemployed divided by the labor force. And so that's easy. Let's just take this formula and we're going to substitute in our known values. So the number of people unemployed right here, it's 1,457,500. But there is no information for the labor force. So what do? Well, the labor force is just the sum of all of the employed and unemployed people. So if I add these two numbers up, that's going to give me the labor force. And in this case, the labor force is 22.578 million people. Now that I've actually got the unemployed and labor force numbers, I can substitute them into my equation, and that's going to give me this value here, which I can simplify to 0.065. However, it's a rate, so I have to multiply by 100, and this means that the unemployment rate in Canada in January of 2026 was 6.5%. Now let's take a look at the employment rate. So the employment rate's formula is a little bit different. The formula for the employment rate is the employed over the working age population. So you can see I have these two values here, and I'm just going to substitute them into the fraction and solve. So 21,121.2 over 34,728.2. If I do that in my calculator, it's going to give me 0.608. And since it's a rate, I need to multiply it by 100%. And this means the employment rate in Canada in January of 2026 was 60.8%. Finally, let's look at the labor force participation rate. The formula for the labor force participation rate is the labor force divided by the working age population. And this tells you how many people who are of age in your country to work are actually in the labor force. The formula needs these two pieces of data, and I'm just going to plug them into my formula as so, 22,578.7 over 34,728.2. If I do this in my calculator, it's going to give me 0.650. Since this is a rate, I need to multiply it by 100%, and that's going to mean that the labor force participation rate in Canada in January of 2026 was 65.0%. We hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, let us know by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and of course, let us know in the comments what sort of economic topics or homework questions you'd like to see us cover in the future. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll catch you in the next.